Today, we will talk about how you can learn English step by step and enjoy the process. Learning a new language can feel difficult at first, but if you take small steps and practice often, you will improve. First, believe in yourself. It's okay to make mistakes. Every mistake helps you learn. Everyone starts as a beginner. Think about why you want to learn English. Maybe for travel, to meet new people, or to get a better job. These goals will help you stay motivated. Start with simple actions like learning 5 new words every day and saying them in short sentences. For example, I live in a house. I drink water. My family is kind. I feel happy. I drive a car. Listening is also important. You can listen to English songs, podcasts, or videos. Even if you don't understand everything, you are training your ears to hear English. Use flashcards to help remember words. Read easy books or stories and guess new words from the sentences. Practice every day, even for just 10 minutes. Write about your day in English or say simple sentences like, I am cooking or I need to go. Outside. Speak out loud. Talking to yourself or repeating phrases from videos helps your speaking. Make learning fun. Watch videos, play games, sing English songs, or read recipes in English. You can also use language apps that make practice like a game. If you like sports, watch matches with English commentary. Don't be afraid to speak. If you forget a word, try to explain it in another way. For example, if you forget the word apple, you can say it is a red fruit that is sweet. People will understand, and you will learn more. You can record your voice and listen to yourself to hear how you sound. Use technology like apps, YouTube, and websites to help you learn. Change your phone's language to English to see more English in your daily life. Look for English on signs, packages, and labels. Write your shopping list in English too. If you live in an English-speaking place, say hello or order food in English. Be patient and keep going. Learning takes time. Some days are hard, and some are fun, but every step helps. Celebrate your progress even if it's small. If you learn a new word or understand a sentence, that is success. Keep practicing and don't give up. Try using English in real situations. For example, at a cafe you can say, Hello, I'd like a coffee, please. How much is it? Thank you. Or when asking for directions. Excuse me, where's the bus station? Can you show me on the map? These small conversations help you build confidence. Today, choose one small tip from this video and try it. Learn 5 new words, write 1 sentence, or listen to a short English video. Every little step brings you closer to your goal. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe, and share it with a friend who is learning English. Keep practicing, stay positive, and I'll see you next time. Happy learning!